What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a Mother's Wills and makeup lover, of course. So since I've been back, I've been kind of going through all of my eyeshadow palettes and showing you guys the palettes that you've missed out on since I've been MIA on YouTube. But today I have something a little bit different for you guys because I'm going to be showcasing the brand new Nomad. Ooh, I don't know how to pronounce this. I don't want to say it wrong, but it's their ski palette. So, yeah, I wanted to kind of read the cause, because they always do a cause for their palettes. So, we are proud to support Inspire Mont Blanc Association that works for better air quality and the protection of the environment in the Mont Blanc region. Amazing, beautiful, and this is the little card that it came with. So yeah, that's just kind of where we're at today. I'm going to be using a couple of new goodies that I've purchased, plus the Nomad palette. I'm going to be doing my eyes and my base in this video. I did the base a little bit different, so I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it. So we're going to do that together, and you guys can let me know your thoughts and opinions before we get to that point. So yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions down below. And of course, don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of the video where I'll do an up close of my eyeshadow look for you guys. That way you can see the true beauty of the blend. And I'm really excited. I'm very, very proud of this eye look today. So yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video. And let's go ahead and jump right on in. This is the palette. Oh my goodness, thank you, thank you. This is the name of the palette in case you are wondering. Oh. This palette is so beautiful. I am absolutely obsessed with the colors. My eye's really red, and I just noticed that. Ignore that. Let's see. So, I'm thinking I want to go in with the greens. Yeah, I'm just going to take all three of these greens to blend, starting from the darkest to the lightest. So, shade Mont Blanc. I'm taking this on a little Just a Beauty brush. Does not have a name, but this brush is so perfect. I'm just gonna lay this all in my crease. On the same brush, going into the next shade, which is called Ski. And I'm going to take this further in than that first shade on that inner corner. And then I'm just going to blend the edges out. Okay. Then I'm going to take this fine beauty brush with the lightest shade, Fondue, to complete the blend. These are just such pretty tones of green. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend out all of the edges. Since this is such a light pastel, I'm definitely going to take a minute and really like build it up. Just like this. It's like beautiful, like minty shade. And then going back in with all of those colors to re-intensify. Usually when I'm blending, I'll bring like a mirror a little bit closer to my eye just to make sure that it looks good up close. But I'm just kind of guessing at this point because I only have one hand. Oh. With your mama, huh? Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay. Now, I'm going to take all three of the shimmers as well, like the green shimmers. I'll show you guys. Starting from the darkest to the lightest. It's kind of like a sage green. I'll put that right in the center of my lid. And then we'll take the next shade, bring this further to the inner corner, and then I'm going to take the final shade. Oh, that has like a pink shift to it. That's stunning. And I'll put this in the inner corner and like bring it up towards the brow. everywhere. Oh, that is gorgeous. I have this PLouise eyeliner palette. This is the one, You Rock My World. So it's the neutral one. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take one of the browns in this palette. I would show you, but my hands are full. I think the trick is going to be, like the tricky part is going to be actually making these match on both sides. I'm going to take these Amazon lashes right here, and I'm going to pop those on, and let me do my other eye, and then we can come back and do the base. I'm going to try to put my baby to sleep as well, because this is not working. This is not working for me. But, oh my god, that shimmer that I put in the inner corner, I'm so obsessed. Wait until you guys see the up close, because, girl. Not sure how I feel about these lashes, but we're gonna move right on along. I wanted to try something a little bit different. I got this Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer, but it's pretty light, so I think I'm gonna do my concealer first, and then my foundation afterwards, and see if that doesn't help balance everything out, you know? Take my foundation brush and blend it out. This is a e.l.f. brush. I'm only gonna blend the under eye concealer a little bit because I want to go over it with my sponge, but just like this. We'll see. Okay, I think I only use this a couple times. This is the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. Let's go ahead and apply this next. This is a little bit closer to my skin tone, the foundation. So I feel like once we go into the setting powder, then it'll be like a really good shade. I'm gonna go in with this Makeup by Mario contour stick. And then after I blend this out, I'll go over everything with my sponge. And let's see how that looks. I'm honestly just winging it at this point. And this brush is an e.l.f. brush, by the way. Putty primer brush, I believe. I'm going to set my face with the Fenty Beauty powder. I'm going to first make sure there's no creases. Oh, I didn't do cream. I did not do cream blush. I was going to go in with this Curve Case Collective, but I don't want to mess up my powders, so I'll just go in with lots of powder blush. I'll take this Jaclyn bronzer. I felt like something was missing when I was setting my face, but I wasn't sure what. And then I'm just taking this Made by Mitchell Blursh book. I think I want to take maybe 90s Nude. I'm going to take it on this fine cosmetic brush. I'm going to take this Elle Star X Lele Posh highlighter palette. You can't get it anymore, but I love this. It's so stunning. And I'm going to take shade Boy Mom. I was going to use the What's Up Beauty Serengeti highlighter, but I'm pretty sure I used that in one of my like last previous videos because I was going to show it to you guys. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to use something else today. Oh, look at how stunning that is. I don't know how I feel about that. Like the way I did my face makeup. We'll see after everything's all said and done. I feel like that's when you could really tell the difference. I'm going to do the same colors on top that I did. I'm going to do the same colors on bottom that I did on top. And then throw in a lippy. And then I'll come back. I'm thinking like something brown with like a nude in the center. So I finished up this look with the PLouise lip liner in the shade Cocoa Clout and the Unearthed League lip gloss in the shade Creamer. Yeah, I'm digging the vibes. Oh, and then in my waterline, I went in with this Lancome, what is this? The Le Stylo waterproof liner in the shade Chocolate. Thought that was like perfect for like the brown. This is giving me like mint chip vibes. I think it goes together so good. I'm really happy with that. I feel like under my eyes, the concealer does look really good. It's just like so bright, which I mean, I like it, but I don't know. Something about my face is kind of throwing me off, and I'm wondering if it might be just like, am I just too white? I'm thinking, honestly, it might be my bronzer. I don't know why. I just feel like it's kind of like this area just looks kind of muddy to me. Am I like on this side too? And I'm wondering if the like bronzer contour stick didn't go great with the Laura Mercier foundation. I don't know. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions. What do you think? What do you think about this base? Like, do you think it looks good? Do you think something's kind of off? Does it look kind of muddy and patchy in that blush bronzer area? Because that's what I feel like. But I mean, today, the real star of the show today is going to be the eyeshadow palette, of course. This is Nomad Cosmetics' newest eyeshadow palette. You know, it's always just like, I feel like their concepts are so absolutely stunning and amazing, but there's just something about this particular color story that really just hits so good. I just feel like the layout of this, the way that they laid this palette out, it's just hitting all the right spots for me. I absolutely adore this color story, and this shimmer, oh my god, this shimmer is just so good. Like, there's no words to describe it. It's a pink green shift. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I am gonna be doing another look with this palette. That should be my next video for you guys. So hopefully my base is doing a little bit better. Like, we like the base a little bit better in that next video. But I'm very happy with this palette. I do already know that I love Nomad's formula, so there's no complaints there. And all of their palettes are for a really good cause. Like, they're for great causes. So yeah, here we are. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're gonna go right on ahead. Roll the clip.